Okay, as you can see, I could not do it one-handed. So the cage clip is on here and here. I still have to adjust this clip here by closing the flange. But I need to put a clip down here. Once the clip is down here, the whole thing will stay steady, and I'll tighten this up here with clamping it real hard, and it'll stay put so it doesn't shift, because rabbits tend to rattle the cage door. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I can do this. I'm going to put a clip in the clipper, again with the wiggling, and we're going to go around the side. Now, there's a little beveled edge that kind of sticks out a little bit. We're going to try to put it right above it so it seats it really well, and then we're going to squeeze. Ugh. You got to give it a tight squeeze. Now, a lot of things you can do with these clips is you can turn them around and squeeze from the other direction, and that'll give you a really good hold on the flange that's sticking out, and it helps tighten it up. So these are basically two-handed, either-handed clippers, I should say, pliers, whatever you want to call them. Sorry about that. I was trying to adjust the pliers in my hand. So basically what I'm doing right now is just getting a better grip on the door. Sorry about the weirdness. Try it from this angle. There we go. And so that seats it a little bit better, a little tighter, and I can close that up. There we go. Now you can always go back with a pair of regular pliers, and I apologize about not having a great view of that, but trying to get the leverage and do the camera at the same time is not easy. I don't have the strength in my hands that I used to, because getting old sucks. Alright, so basically that's done. And you have to remember the cage is upside down, so hold on a sec. So this latch is upside down. It's supposed to be, because I put it on like the other one that's upside down, so I know I did it right. The one thing about replacing things and doing things is always either take pictures of what you're doing so you don't forget how to put the stuff back on, or do it as you go. Take something off, have something the similar to compare it to, and put the new stuff on while looking at the other stuff that you haven't done yet. Just until you're really comfortable with this. At this point, after doing this since I started doing cages when I was like 16, so I can pretty much do this stuff in the dark blindfolded. Though I will tell you that I don't have the power in my hands that I used to. So yeah, my hands are going to be aching when I'm all done doing 4 cages, but that's fine. It's a good workout. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to do is, you can see from this piece of divider is all chewed up. It was not chewed up by the rabbits. It just wasn't the greatest piece. It was probably a leftover piece that I needed in a pinch. So I have some extra. It's all cut nice. So I'm going to be cutting off the zip ties and re-zipping it before I put the floor wire on this piece. So I have one more door to replace this, the divider to replace, and then floor wire. So it'll be fine. Now there's a piece of divider on that piece. I'm going to take that off because we don't need that. We just need it in between, because originally there were 6 cages all lined up together. So I got 2 here, 2 underneath that I'm kind of using as a table, and then the 2 I've already done are over there. So yeah, and I have 6 more behind me too. So if we need more cages, I can do that. Now after the wires are replaced, we got the new floor in, we got the new dividers in, we got the new doors hung. Then I'm going to put on legs. I should have actual metal legs that they sell for this. You can also use pieces of 2x4 or composite lumber, the stuff that you make plastic decks with. in a pinch too. But I should have everything I need. So all I am doing right now is I'm going to go on to the next project. And I'll take another video when I start putting in the floor wires. But now you know how to take it off. You know how to do the door. Taking the door off was the same way. You're just taking the old stuff off, replacing it. It's real easy. Okay?